Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur the background of an image on Photopea. So for that, we just need to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image for which you want to blur the background. And here we can see the image. So I'm just going to blur the background of this image. So for that, here on the left, you can see here many tools, and here is a tool. You can see here magic wand. Click on that. And from here you just need to choose object selection, and then you just need to select the part that you don't want to blur. And now we can see that you had been selected the image that you don't want to blur, and then drag your mouse to there, and then right click. Then you can see an option called inverse. Click on that, and then you can see that the background of the image has been selected. And after selecting it, here on the top you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here filter. Click on that, and then here's an option. You can see here blur. From there you just need to choose Gaussian blur, and from here you can just increase or decrease as much as you wanted. And after blurring the portion, you can just click on OK, and now you can see that you had been blurred the background of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.